¿Qué pasa, mi gente? It's your girl, Becky G. I am in Miami and I have a dinner to get ready for tonight. And because I was in rehearsals, this is gonna be a how I do my pelo because your girl was sweaty all up in here. So we're gonna get into it. Let's go. I am washed and my ends are conditioned. I have my little travel shampoo and conditioner. I use the RIZOS curls. I don't have very curly hair naturally. I do have texture and like very defined waves. I just love this shampoo and conditioner even though I'm not gonna wear my hair naturally air dried. I take it everywhere I go. So we are going to spray. Forgot what I was gonna say. We're gonna spray some of the BUMBLE Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer. Boom. Look at that. Usually I play music when I'm getting ready, but we're not gonna do that because we're gonna chat and we're gonna talk. Now we're gonna brush it. And I wanted to talk about something very important to me, which is the fact that I just had to dye my roots. People are gonna be like, why'd you dye your roots? Cause your girl gets gray hair. I've been getting gray hair. I got my first gray hair when I was 11. Yeah. So I learned actually from my doctor, this is a fun fact, that some people can get gray hairs from being in fight or flight. So like a lot of adrenaline. I think I've been getting gray hairs since I was super young because I've been performing since I was very young. And although I love it so much when I'm on stage, when I have a big presentation, a big meeting, a big music video, like you are sometimes, or just a crazy schedule, you're running on adrenaline all the time. So I get gray hairs like crazy and touching up my roots is very important. So I'm just very happy that my sparkles are, I call them sparkles, I don't like to call them gray hairs. My sparkles are covered up. All right, so we got the primer in, we brushed, and now we are going to separate my hair, and I'm gonna introduce you to one of my favorite stylers ever. You see some of that wave coming through? Ooh. Yeah, so I'm telling you, when I use the shampoo and conditioner, this is what happens. I never knew I had like wavy curly hair until I started using RIZOS curls. So I said I was gonna introduce you to one of my favorite stylers ever. She is an investment, I will say. The DYSON AIRWRAP game changer. There's detachable knobs. You can take it off. You can put other, me over here trying to figure out how to use this thing. Turn it on. Oh. So I'm gonna blow dry it very little, not to where my hair is actually super dry, but to where it's like more damp and not wet. And then sometimes what I like to do to give my hair extra volume is just flip my hair over and then blow dry it. Whoop, we're back. Okay, now that she's damp and not super wet, we're gonna go back to a half up, half down. And we're gonna change the head of the DYSON AIRWRAP. Boom. Now, I'm gonna snap my fingers and magically, almost all of my hair is gonna be done. Ready? 1, 2. All right, last piece. the nose. What I like to do is push all of it back and then just like part it in the middle and then pull it forward. Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil. I like this oil for my ends. I don't need a lot, literally just boop, a little. It goes a long way. And I just rub it through my fingers and then I just hit all of the little end bits. Because you know, it gets a little dry sometimes. And I, last year during quarantine, decided that I wanted to have lighter hair, and then I fried my hair. So I went back to my natural color, and my ends are still kind of growing out. And even though I get trims and stuff, I'm still working through the damaged hair. Last but not least, you guys are gonna laugh. I found this at, where was it? Marshall's? Yeah, Marshall's. It's a 10 Miracle Finishing Spray. And I like little travel size things for when I'm on the road, for the most part, because it just makes packing easier and I get more space. So I've been using this and it just helps keep the shape of the hair. Do you guys have a side, like that your hair flips cuter than the other side? Yeah. This side? Chef's kiss, always. This side? Not so much. Okay, so I'm just gonna touch on my makeup very quickly. Your girl launched her very own makeup brand. I am so proud and so excited. I'm gonna go in with my IM palette, and I'm also gonna use our detachable mirror. It's really cool that you can do. It's so dirty because I literally use it every day. And we have brushes as well. Okay, so we're gonna go in with a little bit of light. That's the shade name. And then we're gonna go in with Unica. This cool little color here. I'm a true glam girl at heart. I love all things get ready. Hair, makeup, outfits, you name it. Going in with Amor. Very, very neutral, very subtle. I used to be like super neat when it came to makeup. Then I just stopped giving a Keep going in and build, build, build. Soft crease. So I kept it super simple on my eyes, just did like a slight defined situation. So we have our gel intenso liners, and they're liners that you can use like all over the face. Not just on your eyes or not just in your waterline, but like literally everywhere. And I'm gonna use them on my lips. So we have the color Amor and Comica. Now, they're both like a red, but one's like a more orangey red, and then Amor is like very red. And let me tell you, they are pigmented. Yes. Okay, so we got Amor going, and now we're gonna go with Comica. Kind of on the inside to kind of like brighten it up. Give it this like ombre effect. More dimension. Something about a red lip just changes everything. I grew up having a very like bigger bottom lip, so I love to overline my top lip to kind of match more of what I got going on the bottom. She is ready. All I'm missing is a pair of hoops and a dress that isn't too tight so I can enjoy my food. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to How I Do with your girl, Becky G. Besitos a todos. Love you guys.